Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a real beautiful home to show you. This home is located at 3117 Guyana Road in Fort Worth, Texas. This is in our Rainbow Ridge community, and this home is 1,770 square feet. This outside has a very pretty elevation, and you'll see above the garage you have a dormer window, which is a decorative window to give the house a little extra curb appeal. On this home, we also added an upgraded front door with the glass insert to add an extra little touch. As we head in the home, you'll see that we've got a very large hallway with the 10-foot tall ceilings and the gray wood look tile flooring, which you'll see throughout the video. Directly to our left, we're going to have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, which we're going to explore here in a second. Beautiful front door with the extra transom window above it to bring in a little extra natural light. This is going to be our front bedroom of the house. And you'll see in here, as well as the other rooms, that all the window blinds are included. This would be a great sized bedroom for your guests, kids, or even to turn into an office. And here, I'll show you the closets. You've got a good space for storage. Now let's go take a look at this bathroom. In here you'll see we did the painted white cabinets, and this home also has upgraded quartz countertops. You'll see these in the restroom and in the kitchen as well. We've got the recessed lighting, the undermount sinks included in all the restrooms. Get a nice close-up of that for you. Looks really pretty with these sparkles in it. You'll have the recessed can light above the sink, and then this floor plan has a slightly larger guest bathroom compared to our model home, which is the Lincoln if you've been watching the videos. So you have this additional drawer for storage. This is going to be your second guest bedroom. Similar setup as the first bedroom and closet space. Now we're going to head out and check out the hallway, kitchen, dining, and family. And if you haven't yet, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I really appreciate it. You'll notice, like when we first walked in, we have a very large hallway. It's really wide. with the 10-foot ceilings. You've got a coat closet right here to your left for some extra storage. And then here to your right, you're going to have a small mudroom area and a separate laundry room. So this will give you a spot to kick off your shoes when you come home. And here in the laundry room, you've got a shelf above where your washer and dryer will go. And this is going to be your smart home panel for your structured wiring for all your internet and cable lines to go into. This is where you can plug your router in. You can see with the door closed, this is a really good sized laundry area. Now we're going to head into the garage because this house has a cool feature where you've got a lot of extra storage space that I'll show you. If you recall from the previous videos of our Lincoln floor plan, that plan has a really large pantry, and in this floor plan you have that same space, but you'll have it as additional storage. So you've got your normal 2-car garage and this 7x7 additional storage space if you needed it for a workbench, park a motorcycle, Christmas decorations, or anything else you can think of. And like all of our floor plans here in Rainbow Ridge, you'll have the built-in sprinkler system included. And you'll also have your garage door motor included, and all of the garage doors are insulated. And after closing, as part of your smart home package, they'll install a module to the garage door so you can open and close that from an app on your phone. You'll also be able to see through your Ring doorbell camera that's included as part of your smart home package, and control lamps from your phone as well. And don't forget, you can also control the thermostat from your phone as part of the smart home package. Now we're going to head in and give you a better look at the kitchen, dining, and family area. This is going to be a very open concept feel, but you'll have a slightly separate dining space, so you have the open feel with a little separation. And here in the kitchen, you'll see we've got beautiful painted white cabinets with recessed can lights. You'll have your ceiling fan included in the family room. And this home has the quartz countertops in the kitchen as well. Here in the kitchen, you can see we did the undermount sink. We also added the upgraded pull-out faucet, and I'll give you a little closer look at the subway tile backsplash and the quartz countertops. This pantry is also quite wide with the double French doors. Tons of storage space for all your cereal and peanut butter. Subway tile backsplash. These are 36-inch tall cabinets, and they do have the crown lip at the top as well for a little extra detail. And this will give you a good view if you're standing in the kitchen cooking, so you can see what it looks like where your dining and family space is. If you're entertaining with family, you can still be with them while you're getting food ready, and then that would be the space to the left for your refrigerator. As with all of our homes, you're going to have a full pull-out drawer, so you don't have to dig into the back, and they're on the metal drawer slides for a little extra support. Tons of windows for a lot of natural light to come in, making the space nice, light, and bright. Tons of lighting throughout as well, so you see the majority of the home has the recessed can lights. And then this is just showing you how the blinds work. They don't have the pull strings anymore, so you'll just lift up where you want it to stop, and then pull down where you want it to stop as well. So no more strings to get caught up. Makes it really convenient. And then we'll step back here and take a look at your covered patio. In this home, the covered patio is covered on 3 sides. So it's really nice if you like to sit out here and you want to be in the shade, or if you like to sit out while it's raining so you can see the rain and not get drenched. Here in the backyard, you're going to have the stained fence with the metal posts included, and you have a full sprinkler system included in the front, back, and sides, and this will give you a good view of the back of the home. Now we're going to head into the master bedroom. And on our Boston floor plan, this actually has one of the largest master bedrooms out of all of the floor plans we build here in Rainbow Ridge. You'll have the 10-foot ceilings in this master bedroom as well, which makes it feel even larger. The ceiling fan is included, and you have these really nice double doors leading into your bathroom. Here in the bathroom, this is one of the largest countertop spaces we have for our master bathrooms. And then we have our upgraded half glass wall between the shower and tub. The shower and tub separate is included with all of our floor plans, but the glass wall right there was added. You've got beautiful tile in the shower, and these are large 42 by 42 hand showers. I'm going to pop in here and give you a view what it looks like from inside. And then you can see how big that countertop space is. You have an additional drawer in between the sinks as well. This is going to be your toilet area that you have a separate door for. head into the master closet. And this is the second largest closet we have on the floor plans that we build in Rainbow Ridge. So you'll have plenty of space for all your clothes or anything else you need to store in here. I really like this master bathroom setup because you have the 10-foot ceilings extended that makes it feel big, and it's also a very wide restroom with the large shower and huge countertop space. So this is a great bathroom if you're looking for a little extra room. And here's me waving to you guys. This is that pull-out drawer I had mentioned earlier. Big, beautiful master bedroom. And we'll head out back into the family room and give you a quick peek at the kitchen, dining, and family again. If you guys have any questions about this home or any of the other homes, please feel free to reach out to me. All my information is in the description below. I would be more than happy to answer any questions you guys have, and please feel free to view any of the other videos on this channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great one.